Hi guys, short video here about cutting of such traveler palm trees. By the way, I'm not a scientist, I'm not an arborist. I just wanted to share my experience with cutting this tree. I'm not 100% sure if it's a traveler's palm, but I would say probably 99% sure. And we had an arborist here and I've been asking how to cut it, and he has been telling me that we shouldn't cut such rows here in the middle unless we don't want it to grow back. But this is exactly what happened. So here's a sample. You can see I have been cutting the whole row even in the middle, and it has been growing back really nicely. Also this one here, also this one here, pretty much everything except the really large trunk here, the center thing here in the middle, which was really huge. I've been also cutting this here, and this one here has not been coming back, has not been growing back. Just the one here on the side and this one here also on this side. And I think this is not just like by chance or so. I think this is not an exception. I think this is probably more the rule, because I've done exactly the same thing with a banana tree and also some bamboo trees, and they have been growing back pretty much exactly in the center. Yeah, I didn't expect that. This is a big surprise and totally against what the arborist was telling us. So it really looks like if this thing is growing too high, and this thing can really grow super high, you can easily just cut it fully back pretty much and it will start to grow again. You don't have to be worried. At least this is how it looks here, and so I'm also planning to do that in the future. Then I would say that's it for now. This is what I wanted to let you know, because it looks like there is some misconception regarding how we can cut it. So you don't have to be really careful, you can just cut it down and it will grow back then. Of course, there's no warranty on that. This is just how it worked for us. But I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions on that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.